Welcome to TOA in Hamburg. TOA is one of the leading companies regarding voice alarm systems. You rarely see us, but often hear us. We are here in our Competence and Training Center, the place where our partners are trained in our latest innovations. Our technology is used in all kinds of applications, such as schools, hotels, shopping centers, airports, and stadiums. We strive for safety and great sound. With more than 80 years of experience in research, development, and production of audio equipment, you can rest assured that TOA will find the right solution for your project. We supply sound, not equipment.